We're standing here in front of the brand new EQC, as the front runner of our new fully electric Mercedes-Benz car brand. We also have a couple of really nice highlights here. We just had the world premiere with the CLA, and we show you the Vision Urbanetic on the other side of the booth. This is the front runner right now of the EQ brand. We will be launching 10 vehicles within 2022. Here you see electric. We show you shared over there with the Vision Urbanetic. We have connected already in all of our cars. Last year we celebrated MBUX launch here at CES, our latest generation infotainment platform. We have this here now in EQ with EQ-based features, for example, with natural language understanding. You can just naturally talk to your car, say, "Hey Mercedes," it listens to you. So this is what we brought to CES this year.
The K-Byte vehicle, so this is a sedan vehicle that we'll be offering shortly after the M-Byte. The way of interacting with the car, with voice, with gesture, with touch controls, that's truly unique. And the second is massive connectivity. This car is connected with 10 gigabit per second, 5G ready connectivity. So we have ultra connectivity, future proof. So this is what's setting us apart from the competition.
We're here to show off three key areas of technology: autonomy, electrification, and connectivity. So autonomy, we have our partners here, Waymo showing off their self-driving vehicle put into our hybrid Chrysler Pacifica. We also have a Chrysler Pacifica here, the regular retail version, over 30 miles all-electric driving range. The Ram 1500 Rebel 12 behind us features the 12-inch Uconnect system, which is part of our connectivity story. And a lot of other features across the board. We have a concept for a Uconnect market that we're working on, and just showing off some of the other areas of connected services, so mobile apps, smartwatch capability, and ways to better serve our customers and push the envelope on technology.
I think it's really going to enable a future experience that most consumers are desiring. What we're finding by and large is a lot of consumers really are looking for an experience that adapts to their needs and not the other way around, where they're having to adapt to the vehicle. We really see a lot of our core designs being scalable and flexible and adaptable. Whether it's a cargo hauler, a personal use vehicle, a multitude of UVs across the different landscapes, we see these solutions being scalable and adaptable to any one of those platforms.
네이버가 직접